Hello, my name is Leanne Pinder and I am the choreographer in Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, and I also play Mrs. Green. I am. It's been a really wonderful week meeting everybody for the first time. I've never worked here before, and having met everybody and spent time with everybody this week, it's going to be super exciting and everyone's super nice. With a lot of preparation. I did a lot of research and homework and preparation on the choreography side before I came to rehearsal, and I try and break my day up into certain sections. So in 1 hour I'll look after this part of the show, and in the next hour I'll be learning my lines, and I try and give myself a bit of a schedule so that I can stay on top of everything. I love that they are really different to each other, that I can play two extreme characters very quickly back to back, and I love the change of that. I love working with the people that I work with on stage in both those roles as well, which is really nice. I hope that it tells the story. I hope it furthers the story. I hope it meshes really well with the direction, that it becomes seamless storytelling between the acting and the dance. And I really hope that each number in the show has its own identity, and that means that there'll be something that everybody likes within the show. I think I'll have fun because I'm balancing the two. It's one of the first times that I get to be both. I usually either do one or the other, and actually the challenge for me is to juggle both, and I think that's where I'll have the most fun.